Hi, and I have happy mail, and this is from Lisa, and I will put her link below, okay, in the description box. And I believe this is the canvas what we altered. We were swapping for last a few months, maybe a little bit less, and we did a couple of swaps together, one to one, and I said it to her, but I was in Japan at that time, and finally I'm home, and I'm so happy to open this box and see, and this is what we're looking for. Okay, so let's see what she sent it to me. She sent it to me Spectrum, it's like Copic pencils. I actually have almost all of them, so but it's always nice to have extra. Thank you, Lisa. Oh, this is little envelopes. What is good, and it looks like, I don't know, did you made it or oi. So this is paper tape is damaged a little bit, but anyway, this is so cool envelope. So I always use this type of envelopes for my albums. That's good. I like it. Thank you. Something, I don't know what it was. Maybe it was flower. Yes, it probably was flower. Okay, great. And one more little box. Oh, the little thing. Let's see what this. Oh, really? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, I saw that little guy's. Oh. I saw that little guys, like you can purchase them to buy. They made like ceramic something, but this is actually looks like it's made from mold, because it's not it's kind of like glue stick, right? Looks like, because it's kind of like sticky a little bit, and it's cool. I don't have this, Lisa. It's so nice, you know. I can use this. Look at this. It's any kind, any size, like you can imagine. Great. Thank you. So now I have goodies to play with. Thank you, Lisa. I love it. That's good. Let's see. I have one more little bag. And oh, it looks like it's frame. It's same technique. So it's same mold, made from mold. But it's very detailed inside. Yeah, if you can see, guys, it's detailed. Okay, it's little frames. Thank you, Lisa. I always can use it. Oh, and it's private message to me. Oh, okay, I will use it when I will be by myself. Oh, look at this stickers, three-dimensional stickers. I like this. Never saw that design yet. Wow, thank you, Lisa. And it's kind of like steampunk, shabby-ish. It's cool style. I like it. Thank you. Let's see what's that. Something clear flowers, polymer. Not plastic flowers. See, they're cool. I have white color and black color, but I don't have this. Oh, thank you, Lisa. It's always, you always will use some flowers, right? You'll never run with flowers if you send it to someone. Oh, and this is finally my canvas. I don't know, Lisa, how you made it, because I remember we just discussed on email to do the swap, to do the canvas, but next day you already uploaded the video of that canvas, and I didn't realize when it was exactly you was already made it for me. So are you making like overnight or what? Yes, was so quick, because we were just talking via email what we can do and what style it should be, and then oops, next day it's upload. You do, girl, very quick job. And I remember you was explaining how you put that little things here. Wow. It's peach color flower. I like this. Oh, and she's using dress form here. See? Oh, it's so cool. I like this. It's my first canvas in my collections. I made it my first canvas for Lisa, and this is first canvas will be on my wall in the room. Great, thank you. It's very interesting way. It's very interesting how you put them. Thank you, Lisa. I like it. It's good. So when it's made, and she signed it for me. Oh, it's so sweet. Thank you. Oops, something fell down, but it's okay. Yeah, this is why I like to use E6000. I never use glue or something, only E6000, because they can glue metal parts. But it's okay, Lisa, no worry. I can fix it, okay? Thank you. And I want to show you a very quick box. Actually, my daughter opened it for me to show it, and this was first thing what we did together. It was wine corks, and I made it red and black and some other color, I think shabby style for Lisa, and she made it this for me. Look at this, guys. It's interesting. She actually painted bottle caps and glued them to the corks. Never saw that idea yet. So see, it's always cool. It's always learn something, you know, what I couldn't come with my mind. Okay. It's great, and it has little bit in the bottom, and I like it. And some oh, I have more in my collections of that. Yeah, I have these gems a lot, but it's always good, so I will take probably a few of them with me to Japan, because it's hard to find something in Japan. And what is this? It looks like it's little doilies here. We'll see. Oh, I'm opening the wrong side. I'm sorry, guys. I probably still have jet lag yet, because it took me a long flight that time. And yeah, so oh, it's tiny little doilies. Oh, and half doily, and more half doily, and more half. Okay, it's all half doilies. Oh, okay, I can find way to use this. Thank you, Lisa. And you gave me this doilies. What is cool? Yeah, it looks like cut from tablecloth or something very thick, good. And it's Christmas tree like ornaments. Brown, my favorite color. Little notes. And oh my God, really? Oh, it's dress forms. Yeah, I remember now. I was asking you. I saw you do have dress form cuts, but I don't have any cuts, a machine or shapes or something. So I asked her, could you send it for me? And she was very nice. Thank you, Lisa. You were so nice. So she cut me from regular paper, and this is from stock card paper, kind of like. And this is just also stock card. It's not heavy board. It's but if I will glue 3 of them together, so maybe they will be good thick dress forms. Oh, now I have something to play with. So anyway, thank you so much. So this is my wine corks, and this is my canvas from Lisa. And like I said, I will put her link below. Okay, thank you.